In this release, we've added a new VIN Match feature to the app. This feature chooses the year, make, and model for you, which helps ensure you've got the correct templates before you cut them. Start by typing or scanning a full 17-digit VIN into the VIN field. Then choose a type of film. In this example, I chose Tint and it automatically chose the vehicle for me. Note the green dot next to the search field. This means it's a confirmed match to a vehicle in our database. Some VINs require us to multi-match them. This is because manufacturers will assign multiple trims to specific VIN patterns. This will be common in PPF vehicles, but could also apply to Tint vehicles. In this example, for a PPF template, the vehicle could be a base A4 or an S-line. The car I have in my bay is a base model A4, so I'm just going to choose that one. If neither of those trims are correct, you can always choose the Show All. This will show you all of the models available for that manufacturer. Keep in mind that the VIN feature is not required to cut templates. You can always scroll through the entire library if you prefer. It's also possible that a vehicle might not be matched because we haven't confirmed or rolled the patterns to the next model year. For example, at the time of this video, we did not have any confirmed 2023 Ford Broncos. When I enter a 2023 Ford Bronco VIN, the search results appear empty. This just means that we either haven't been provided the VIN or haven't yet confirmed the templates are the same for the next model year. That's all for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you stay up to date on all of the latest news and information.